Hello, my Leos. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac darlings. Okay, so let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. We begin with sorrow, transformation, totality, courage. So there is a phase in your life that you guys could be experiencing. Again, it's like because your birthday is in the month of August for a few, in towards the second half, like post 21st, right? So the time before that is a little helter skelter. It's more of a roller coaster ride. So I think in this, the first 10 days, universe is reminding you to never ever give up. There is a strong bond that is coming up. You have your friends, colleagues, you have your well-wishers who are definitely supporting you. You are experiencing a rocky phase, maybe getting heltered and skeltered. You feel nobody's there because that's what the sorrow, probably overthinking, transformation, it is meant to happen. Remember, a door closes for another door to open. Allow this process. Stop overthinking. It's not going to help you. Rather, you should let go. Again, remember, my Leos, you are highly egoistic. Again, the fire signs, so you are like, I'm the king or the queen. But at times, you need to bow down to the universal energies for whatever process it is happening. Totality, there seems to be a lot of conflicts going around. Okay, you're trying to find a balance between two or three many things. Breathe. You cannot juggle. That's the reason it is trying to say never ever give up on yourself, but don't get that high that, oh, excuse me, don't try to teach me. No, you need to be a little flexible is what it's trying to say in the first 10 days. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. We begin with receptivity, slowing down, rebel, creator, breakthrough. Karmic cycles are happening to you in the mid 10 days. Okay, you need to be in a receptive mode, increase water intake. That's why I said in the first 10 days also allow accept and release. Rebel, creator, and slowing down. So money flow is coming in, but you need to take baby steps. The minute you rush into decisions, you will miss out on those little tiny opportunities universe is serving you and giving you the guidance. Remember to stay focused on your work goals rather than getting distracted, because there is something that you have, your anger, your ego. I think that is fuming and you're not ready to bend. The minute you let go, that's how the breakthrough, and that will affect you. Remember, karma will do the needful. You need to just be in that zone. That, okay, fine, this is where I have to head to. No matter what people are passing judgments, I am being focused. I think that is what is required, but at the same time, be receptive. Okay, handles things with loving and kindness energies. You cannot be harsh, because otherwise it will backfire you. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. We have traveling, We are the world. Brightness. Inner voice. Crescent moon, kind of a full moon, even that's a well. So yes, news, success, happy celebration moments are coming up. Money flow, you are traveling for sure, or you're getting overseas connection. Be very communicative. The last 10 days, listen to your gut feeling, but your communication is going to play an extremely important role. Think before you speak. You cannot be harsh. You cannot say, oh, I don't care types. No, you should be in a careful mode, because the minute you say you don't care, it's gonna go somewhere else. Then don't crib why it happened. Where did I go wrong? Because you said I don't care, that's where you went wrong. Okay, this is a hypothetical example I'm giving you, so understand that. You want to start something new, this is the correct time to start a new venture. In case if you doubt, don't doubt. Universe is taking you on a new journey. I think it's more about trusting that process. Don't doubt yourself or the universe. Success is embracing you. Now let's come to what your angels have to guide you in this month. Child, what is it that your inner child is trying to say? Make amends with your mother, or the mother lineage. Okay, so it could be your aunt, like a mother figure if you handle. Your inner child is saying something. Maybe it's hurt somewhere. Okay, some incident. So look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, not the mobile phone, not the camera or selfie one, but the actual mirror. Look at yourself properly, thoroughly. It's like looking through yourself, the eyes, your eyebrows, your nose, your teeth, your lips, your hair, the wrinkles, the scars, whatsoever. Look at it completely, okay? And talk to yourself. You might end up crying, you might figure out, oh, nothing I'm sensing. But get yourself to that emotion, connect with that emotion. Your inner child will tell you what is it that it is lacking, what is it that you should be doing. So it's like when you talk, you will get the answer. Okay, so that's what the child is trying to say. There could be children in your family who will bring happiness, who are trying to tell you something. Spending time with children itself will make you feel happy at the same time as well. So anything related to child should be focused on. Now let's come to your love life. Angels and spirit guides. Soulmates and I like you. Somebody is confessing their feelings towards you, or you will have someone who will confess. You guys are soulmates, so like a soul contract. If there is somebody you're not ready to let go, probably it's high time you let go, because a soul contract is something you need to give a closure. There is a possibility that you will end up saying, or you might receive a confession where you will realize that you have developed a liking. So that's fine. It's sweet, right? Somebody confessing their feelings, and I think even you should. If you have feelings for someone, do let them know as well. There's no harm in that. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Imprisonment and concern. This is a month you should not be taking things for granted. Okay, imprisonment need not be like getting into a jail or something, but it could also mean that you're overthinking and you're getting caught in your own thought processes. Maybe that's the reason you are creating your own barriers. Concern. There are things which are matter of concern. Don't take things lightly, no matter how small it could be. Maybe universe is telling you, please take a second opinion, or have an expertise to talk to, or whatever the matter is, just get a double check done. So how should I sum up this month? Oh my. Work on your inner child, because somewhere I feel your inner child is hurt. So the elder version of you will bring in money, will work day and night. Okay, uh, whatever you seek, the elder one will bring in. But there is a part of you that is hurt, that is triggered, that needs love, that needs to be understood, that needs to be pampered, that needs to be taken care of. And that's what your inner voice is also trying to tell you. Probably, maybe for some reasons you guys have been, you know, not paying attention for whatsoever reason. So maybe this month it is all about focusing on your inner child. The angels are also saying work on the lineage towards the motherly like figures. In relationships, you have soul contracts. So unless and until you do not end that, you cannot allow a new soul to walk in your space. If you've got feelings, there's no harm. And if you really want to work on your relationships, take those small steps and voice them. Okay. The next thing, there are matters that you should be taking second opinion. Avoid getting caught in your own thought processes, because you are only creating your own barriers. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.